Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, happy Louis Vuitton Day, and you know what that means. For today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here, I'm going to share everything that you need to know, from prices, product names, product codes, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is take a screenshot for your personal reference, and for pre-orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs and the website. So guys, I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like and share and comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirfi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, this is the part 2 of the Murakami collection that will be launching January 2025. First, we have this very beautiful Alma BB, priced at 2,830 USD. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims with the Murakami multicolor print in the white colorway. With vachetta trims, it would come with the bag tag and adjustable leather strap. Next, we have the mini pochette. This is so cute, guys. Price is 1,110 USD from the Murakami SuperFlat Collection, which has the material of upfront leather, and I am loving this Murakami panda print. Of course, one side of the bag has detachable chain strap, but the chain strap is non-detachable overall. Next, we have the Nice Mini. Guys, I am so in love with this one. Price is only 1,610 USD. We have SKU here. Material is the noir version of the multicolor Murakami monogram canvas. It would come with top handle, silver hardware, and you're noticing that the interior is the black colorway. So I'm not really sure if that is made of leather or wipeable interior. It would come in the nano size. So we have Nice Nano. For the price, please do stand by, but we do have the SKU here for your personal reference. So this is the inside or the interior, so black interior with the special Murakami logo detail. I am loving the contrast of the Murakami multicolor logo on the black coated canvas. Next, we have the Neverfull size MM. Price of this one is 3,950 USD. Material is the upfront leather with the super flat Murakami flower. This is the close-up, as you can see, very festive. Love the flower design detail. Of course, it would come with detachable mini pochette on the inside. Next, we have the on-the-go size MM. Price of this one is 4,800 USD. So it would come with, of course, the monogram canvas in the white colorway Murakami design. It would come with top handle. It would come with a non-detachable longer shoulder strap. It would come with the metal details on the sides of the bag as well. Then we have this very cute mini square trunk. Price is 10,500 USD. So material is the monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So the cowhide leather trims, it would come with the LV detailing just like this. It would come with the top handle and adjustable and detachable vachetta crossbody strap. Then we have the on-the-go size PM. Price of this one is 4,050 USD from the Murakami monogram super flat. Material is upfront leather with Murakami panda print. This is the close-up, how cute. And it would come with gold hardware. So the difference on this one, guys, as you're going to see now, it would come with this beautiful Louis Vuitton gold chain strap. Next, we have the Dauphine Soft size GM. Price of this one is 5,050 USD. We have SKU here from the Murakami Multi-color, and the colorway is white. So this is the interior. So this is the back side. So material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, gold hardware, detachable leather shoulder strap. Next, we have the Courier Luzine 110, price is 70,000 USD. So maybe if you're looking for a Murakami coffee table, then this could be a good selection or idea. So from the Murakami Multi-color Collection monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims with gold hardware. Next, we have the cosmetic size GM. How cute is this one? So price is 1,530 USD. So this is the look of the cosmetic. So it has a multicolor way in the white combination, as we could see here, with gold hardware. Of course, it would come with vachetta leather trims. Next, guys, this is one of my personal favorite. Oh my god, guys, you should be getting this one. Alma size BB. Price is only 2,710 USD. Materials epi leather. What I'm loving about this one is the panda is fully detachable. That is a bag charm, and of course the LV Murakami detail. This one super cute. Super love this one, and it would come in this blue colorway. So same price is 2,710. So this is the close-up of the LV Murakami flower logo, and it would come with the detachable Murakami panda design. So it means that you could use it on your different bags from LV. Super love this Alma BB in this epi leather material. Next, we have the side trunk size MM. Price of this one is 5,050 USD. We have SKU here. Murakami Multi-color Collection. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims and Murakami multicolor print. It would come with gold hardware, detachable leather top handle, detachable leather shoulder strap. Next, guys, we have the Capucines BB. Price of this one is 7,450 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. So this one material is leather with cowhide leather trim. So this is the interior. So the Murakami design is morely on the interior part of the bag, and it would come with the Murakami flower bag tag, as you can see here, and the LV logo is the Murakami hands. Then we have the Venice backpack. This one price is 4,300 USD. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims in the Murakami multicolor print in the white colorway. It would come with gold hardware, non-detachable vachetta leather strap. Alright, so next, guys, we have the Posh Toilette. So for the price of this one, kindly stand by. But we do have SKU here. So this is the monogram super flat monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So this is the close-up of the Murakami flowers, and it would come with gold hardware. I'm very interested with this one as well. As you know, I do love my toiletry pouch 26. This is going to be a very user-friendly bag for me. Then of course, Trio Posh Toilette. Price of this one is 2,280 USD. We have SKU here. So these are the close-up. So we have like monogram canvas with super flat design. So every sizes, we have 26, 20, 15. It would come with different design of Murakami print. Then we have, guys, if you're a fan of bag charm, definitely you need to check this out. So first we have the Micro Speedy. Price of this one is 890 USD. So we have first super cute Speedy bag charm. Of course, one side is fully detachable with silver hardware. It's just a little bit expensive, but definitely super cute. Next, we have the Micro Pochette. So this one, another cute micro bag charm, a little bit expensive at 750 euro. We have SKU here. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims with Murakami multicolor print with gold hardware. So this is how it looks like size-wise, guys. So this is the actual photo of the micro bag charm. Then we have the Micro Alma. Price is 890 euro. So material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims with Murakami multicolor print in the white colorway with untreated vachetta leather trims with gold hardware, launching January 2025. Next on the bag charm, guys. So first we have the Bijou Sack Panda. For the price, kindly stand by. So this is a Murakami SuperFlat. Material is leather with Murakami panda print. So this is the back side. So it is monogram canvas. It doesn't have any hardware, I think.
You just need to tie this one like a key clochette on any of your bags. So this is the close-up of the Murakami Panda. So it would come in the Panda Class design. So this one would come with the Lobster Class in gold hardware. And this is more affordable, I think, for the price of 450 USD compared to the first one. So this one I like better versus the first bag charm that we have seen. So of course, I'm loving the contrast of the panda with the gold hardware. Then of course, we have the Louis Vuitton Murakami hands. Price of this one is 390 USD. Murakami SuperFlat design material, of course, is all metal in the Murakami Louis Vuitton flower design detail that will be launching January 2025. Next, guys, if you're just eyeing like small SLGs, we have the notebook cover size MM. Price of this one is 555 USD. We have SKU here, so this is the interior. And then of course it would also come in the notebook size MM, which is more affordable at 120 USD. So if you just want to have a piece of the collection, then definitely you need to check out the notebook size MM. Another SLG, so we have the Charlotte pencil case. So we have 470 for the price point. We have two different SKU, guys, one for the black colorway and we have for the white multicolor. As you can see, this is the pink interior. So what do you think, which is better? Would it be the black? Would it be the white? For me, guys, and you know, I would be choosing the black colorway. Then guys, another bag that I'm truly in love with the collection, we have the Marilini. Price of this one is 2,590 USD. It would come in two different SKUs. So we have black, we have in white. Material is epi leather. It would come with detachable coin pouch and detachable key pouch. Next, guys, we have the twist size MM. Price of this one is 5,250 USD from the Murakami Multi-color Collection. Materials epi leather with cowhide leather trims with Murakami Multi-color Louis Vuitton logo. And we're going to see the top handle is the Murakami canvas with detachable shoulder strap. Next, guys, we have the Mark folder. So this one is only 1,780 USD. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So this is the close-up. It would come with S-lock closure with the Murakami Panda. Next, guys, we have the Murakami bando. So we have different SKU here. So for this one, the flowers is 250 USD. Then we have panda, 250 USD. Black multicolorway, that is 250 USD as well. Then of course the white multicolorway, that is 250. So this is a good accessory for any bags, or maybe you could use this as, you know, for your ready to wear pieces. Then Murakami square. So this one is a little bit of the same price of brown size 70. We have 255 USD. White size 70 centimeters, 255. Black size 55, it's 250 USD. And of course we have the white size 55 for 250 USD. Next, we have the carry all size PM. Price is 3,450 USD from the Murakami Multi-color Collection. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims with Murakami multicolor design. Detachable mini pochette, as we could see here. It would come with detachable and adjustable shoulder strap. Next, guys, we have the carry all Vive MM. So that is 4,300 USD. Material is leather with Murakami multicolor design. Detachable bag tag. It would come with detachable and adjustable shoulder strap, and it come with multicolor mini pochette, as we could see here. So this is how it looks like when worn with a model. Then we have the Murakami hats. So this one, guys, we have two SKUs and two prices. So for the cap, we have SKU here, medium or large size, that is 490 USD. Then the bucket hat, any of these two style, price is 590 USD. Then we're almost at the end of the part 2. So we have the mink bum bag. Price of this one is 13,300. Material is mink with cowhide leather trims, Murakami multicolor design, and the white colorway with gold hardware. So guys, kindly stay tuned for the part 3 of the Murakami Drop 1 collection that would also be releasing this week. Next, last but not the least, we have the mink scarf, priced at 5,900 USD. Material is mink with Murakami multicolor design in the white colorway.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a flower emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!